Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. So today I'll be comparing the Apple Airpods Gen 2 to the Blvckpods version 3. Alright, if you'd like to check out any of these headphones, the links will be in the description. Okay, so I'll be comparing these using all the areas in the CA scoring method. My apologies for now, the CA scoring method is getting a full update and isn't finished yet, but I'm working on it. Alright, so starting out with the packaging. For these headphones, I won't be comparing them as if they were clones, but as separate non-replica headphones. They both come in relatively similar size packaging. For the Blvckpods, they come in a clear plastic packaging with black inserts throughout the case. Also, you can see right through the box to the headphones, and I have to say, it looks really good. For the Airpods, they have that pretty much iconic box now, with images of the headphones on the top of the box. For the front of the Blvckpods, they have their name on the top, with a viewing window in the middle, and below that it says Blvckpods version 3. Also below that it says fully wireless headphones. It also says wireless charging to the left of that, and Bluetooth 5.0 on the right. On the side for the Blvckpods, it has 8 more specs about the product. For the Airpods, it has the Apple logos and the Airpod name on the sides of the box. Also on the back, it has a image of the headphones in their case, and the Blvckpods have nothing on the back. Alright, getting right into the packaging. Removing the lids for both of them, you get the headphones right away with the Blvckpods. The Airpods, you get the Design by Apple insert, and under that you get the headphones. Also under that you get a charger. But what comes under the headphones for the Blvckpods really surprised me. There was a freaking wireless charging pad that fit the Blvckpods perfectly. This is some well thought out packaging. Never seen anything like this. And guess what? They don't stop there. Under the foam there's even more goodies. There's a little Ziploc bag with AirPod ear hooks and one of those connector rubber things. Third-party AirPod accessories in the box. Never seen it. Also there's a lightning charging cable and a USB cable for the wireless charger. Under those there's a manual and a warranty guide. This has to be one of the most stacked packagings I've ever seen. In the packaging area, the Blvckpods definitely took the dub on this one. Now for the design of the case. They pretty much have the exact same dimensions and design. They both have a lid that takes up 1/4 of the case, and they both have a little LED in the front. Both have a button on the back and a lightning charging port. One thing I must address though is the Blvckpods are significantly lighter than the Airpods. Also doesn't have any of those Apple markings like the original. On the back, the hinge for the headphones look pretty similar. The hinge on the Blvckpods is smaller, but it has that sandblasted look. The lid is good, but I wouldn't say it's as satisfying as the original. This I would say is due to the not having the exact same weight. The snapping and just isn't quite as satisfying. The whole entire body is covered in a black matte surface that feels really nice in the hands. I definitely would say that the finish is better than other matte ones I've tried out. Alright, now for the design of the headphones. They both are the exact same shape, but everything for the Blvckpods is covered in a black matte texture. Also the sensor on the Blvckpods is silver. The meshes are pretty similar, but I'd say that some of the openings are a bit more oval than on the ones on the Airpods. Also there doesn't seem to be a sensor in the inner part of the headphones on the Blvckpods. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. Also, the Blvckpods do fit in the Airpods case and vice versa. Alright, now I'll be comparing the connectivity and the pairing of the two headphones. Alright, so now I'm going to be testing the pairing processes and the connectivity of the headphones. Alright, so we're going to start with the Airpods Gen 2 right here. Just open them up, hold the button down, and it pops up just like that. Press connect, just like that. Now for the Blvckpods. Just like that, they are connected. Alright, now I'll be testing how fast they connect when you pull them out of the case. So let's go with the Airpods. Alright. Now for the Blvckpods. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to be measuring how far these headphones can get from the phone before they start disconnecting or anything like that. Blvckpods versus the Airpods Gen 2. Alright, let's get this testing started. Now for the battery life. Alright, so after testing the battery life between the two headphones, what I found is the Blvckpods version 3 right here can get around 2.5 to 3 hours of battery life with an extra, like, I'd say 20 to 18 hours of extra battery with the case. And the Airpods, like always, can get 4 hours of audio playback with an extra 24 hours with the case. Now for the features and cool things about the headphones. They both have wireless charging. They do both have ear sensors, so when you pull them out of your ears, they pause automatically. They both pair automatically when you pull them out of the cases. These Blvckpods also have Hey Siri support, which was a complete surprise to me. I didn't see that coming. They both do have touch functions. For the Blvckpods, they are double tap right or left headphone to pause music, triple tap the right side to go to the next song, and triple tap the left side to go to the previous song. Also, double click either side to answer or hang up calls. For the Airpods, they have multiple options. You can edit them. There is only 2 gesture options that you have, and they are double tap both sides. Now for the audio quality. They both do sound really good, but personally I would prefer the Airpods over the Blvckpods. This mainly because the Airpods sound slightly just more crisp, but I definitely wouldn't take these out of the park due to their audio quality. They still sound really good. They have good bass. They're really like balanced. They cost $60, so I wouldn't sleep on them. Now for the mic quality.
Alright, so in my ears right now is the Blvckpods version 3, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. They're just in my ears as if I'll be like listening to music or anything like that on a phone call. You name it, it's probably how it's gonna be. And yeah.
Alright, so these are the AirPod Gen 2s, and they're in my ears right now, just like I'd be talking on the phone or anything like that. And this is the mic quality you can expect from them. So yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the Apple AirPods Gen 2 mic quality. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out these products, all links will be in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace!